Hi there. When you're going through the merchandise receive process, you will usually have to spend some time creating a product to receive it. In this video, we will go over using the GIA integration to simplify the process of MR for your diamonds. We will start this video in the simple merchandise receive section during the select product step. If you are unsure how to get to this step, feel free to check out our MR guide. The link is in the description. Now, we will cover the 3 ways we can make use of the GIA import. The first one is to create items by using the bulk create. Click the Create New Item and choose the Bulk Create Items option. Note that this process is explained in more detail in the relevant bulk creation guide. We need to make sure to use the SKU template with the diamond inventory type. We have prepared one just like that for this demo. Once you are happy with your selections, press OK. In the new dialog, we will see a new button called GIA Lookup. Click on it to input the GIA number. We have prepared a number beforehand and will use it now. Once you make sure that the number is correct, press OK. Note that the item name is now filled out with the data from GIA. We will now press the Create Items button to finish creating the item. We now see the newly created item in the grid, available for selection. Let's now create the second item. We will once again press the Create Item button and choose the appropriate custom view for the diamond. In this demo, we will just use the default view option. In the Open dialog, locate and press the Copy Details from button in the top right corner. Choose the Import from the GIA menu option. We will once again need the GIA number. In this example, we will use the second one we have prepared. Once we press OK, we will see that the data has been automatically imported and all mandatory fields are filled out. To finish creating the item, press OK. This covers the second way of importing the GIA number to create a diamond item. The third way is through the Excel file import, which we have covered in our guides before. Tag along while we are going to the product list module. Note that the last 2 items we created using the GIA import before including imported attributes, included files, etc. In other words, this import automatically includes the most amount of information possible. In order to import the Excel file, press the round action button in the top left and select the Import Excel option. We have already covered this before, so we will be going through this again until we reach the relevant new information. Note that the new mapping columns include the certification number and certification lab. The former is the number we have for our item, and the latter is the GIA option. Once we make sure that our Excel file is correctly read, press Import Products to finish the creation. We can now see the created item at the top. That's it for the GIA import functions. Thanks for watching.